So if you like mojitos, this little street right here is great. And this location here, El Bosquecito, they have really good mojitos. They are a little bit more expensive, but they're really good. And this up here, I can't remember. This is La Catedral. If you tell people you're in the Plaza Catedral, they'll know what you're talking about. Visa, visa. And there's always vendors like that selling stuff all over the place. That's just how it is. Gonna meet up with a friend of mine over here. She just got a new washer and dryer delivered. Super excited about that for her because she's been hand washing everything for, I don't even know, the last 6-8 months. So that's sad. But anyway, this is Plaza Catedral. Ahí está, ya viene mi amiga. Qué linda te pusiste, ¿por qué? ¿La lavadora?
Aquí, la casa.
Sí, está, ya llegó.
Sí.